Here are the highlights for the first 3 months of the fiscal year. Quarter 1 budget forecast compared to actual results. Our first quarter actuals show that operational revenue was higher than we expected, thanks to higher energy prices in the first 3 months of the fiscal year. Our actual operating expense was less than we forecast. This was due mainly to timing of some of the health grants. And this was also offset by provision of in-year disaster emergency assistance, though only a portion of that includes Southern Alberta flooding costs. Overall, the capital plan was nearly bang on relative to the budget 2013 3-month estimate. At first quarter, we estimated that by the end of this fiscal year, operational results will be closer to being balanced, ranging from a surplus of $250 million to a deficit of $500 million. And as I cautioned at last year's first quarter, this is a snapshot of what things looked like at the end of June of this year. We still have a long year ahead of us, and any number of factors could change things. The flood, of course, has been a great example of this. And I'd like to draw your attention to Alberta's net assets. This is a combination of savings and physical assets that the government of Alberta, Albertans own, less the liabilities. It's important to note that Alberta is the only province, and continues to be, that's in a positive net asset position. I can update you now for the last fiscal year. We've had an actual number from our year-end report, and it's $1 billion higher than what we thought it was going to be at budget time. We expect an improvement for this fiscal year as well, given the first quarter results, and we're pleased to say that we are moving in the right direction. But it's early.